Okay students, so here I have one video that is in the sexual double fertilization in the flowering plants, the process of double fertilization. See, look at the first of all at the opening side, that's the male reproductive organ is present. First of all, that is the pollen. The stamens are there. Stamens are basically the anthers are present. They are in basically the micro bilobed structures. You can observe it. They are in that bilobed form, and one filament is present. When we move inside that each and this is the polar your style, and you are moving inside it, that is the ovary portion. In that ovary portion, first of all, one megaspores are there. Now they meiotically divided to form the 4 megaspore cells. Okay, now in this only one can be stayed here, and apart from this others are getting degenerated. Now they which is resist here, that is one megaspore which is resist here, stay here, they form the embryo sac. Clear? Now in that embryo sac, they are now divided mitotically through with the help of mitosis. They are dividing, and now they are formed first 2 cells, then 4 cells, and ultimately then 8 cells. Clear? Now they are moving to towards the opposite poles. Like this, they are moving towards the opposite poles. Now they total have the 8 cells. 3 are moving towards that basal end, and 3 are moving towards the micropylar region, which is present at the lowest side, and 2 of them are resist at the central region. Now these upper cells are formed the antipodal cells. Clear? Which are present at the basal end. Clear? Now the middle of these are formed the 2 central polar nuclei, and near at the lowest region at the micropylar end, one form the egg and other 2 forms are the synergids. They have the filiform apparatus present, which provide the chemical signal to the pollen tube. Now this much is the arrangement of that 1 megaspore. Done? Now we are moving to we are now focusing out towards the outside. Now see, it's a bilobe shaped structure. Inside it we have many these are the microsporangias. Clear? Inside that microsporangia, 2 type of cell we have studied. One is vegetative, other is the generative nucleus. Vegetative is also known as the tube nucleus. Now one pollen, we can say that one pollen is a microsporangia. One pollen is getting attached with the stigma portion. It's get attached. Now in arrangement will take place inside it, and that it form a pollen tube. Which form the pollen tube? The tube nucleus, or the vegetative cells form the pollen tube. Inside the pollen tube you have observed these 2 cells. It is known as a male cells, male germ cells. Clear? Now with the help of the pollen tube, they are moving inside inside the style, and they are entering like this from that lowest region, which is the opening portion. That opening portion is known as the micropylar end. Okay, now they are entering like this. First of all, they entered, and then the one male nucleus get attached or get fused with the egg cells. They form the embryo. Done. Now other will come in contact with the 2 polar nuclei, and they form the endosperm here. Okay. Now they generate the endosperm. The nucellus which is present will provide the nourishment to the developing embryo, or until and unless it get growing by them itself. Okay. Now what happened? See, just from with the help of this process, the double fertilization will take place. You have observed it, and